I'm all ready. I have my passport and my backpack, and I'm ready to travel. Hi, I'm Cynthia, and this is the EWA channel, a place where we learn everything related to English. Today we're going to talk about super common travel phrases. And the truth is, these are phrases that you can use all the time, even when you're not traveling. But before we get started, click the bell with notifications, then you won't miss anything else from the EWA channel. To make it easier to remember, we're going to divide these phrases into 5 categories. Category 1, general. These are phrases that you will use in combination with the other ones we're going to talk about today, and you'll use them all the time. 1. Excuse me, excuse me, excuse me, excuse me, excuse me. Simple, but we use this to get somebody's attention or to ask a question. For example, excuse me, what time is it? We also use this together with a lot of other phrases. So phrase 2, could you please tell me? Could you please tell me? Could you is very polite. Could you please tell me where the bus station is? Could you please tell me? 3, would you mind, for example, would you mind telling me where the bus station is? Would you mind is also a common expression in English and also very polite. 4, please speak a little slower. Please speak a little slower. 5, my English is limited. My English is limited. 6, will you write that down for me? Will you write that down for me? This means I don't really understand you and I need you to write that information so that I can read it. It's a common request, including among native speakers. Category 2, at the hotel. First phrase, what time is check-in? Or what time is checkout? What time? 2, could I have a late checkout? Could I have a late checkout? So like we talked about earlier, could is a way to be extra polite. Could I have a late checkout? 3, what is the Wi-Fi password? What is the Wi-Fi password? And 4, is there free breakfast? Is there free breakfast? Category 3, this is my favorite category, exploring, also asking for directions. Phrase 1, where is, super common and you want to use this all the time. Where is the bus station? 2, how do you get to, example, how do you get to the bus station? This means I'm here and I need information to go to another place. How do you get to the bus station? 3, where can I find, for example, where can I find the Statue of Liberty? Where can I find the Statue of Liberty? Oh, that's a big statue. Where can I find, and then the name of anything you want. Where can I find the bus station? 4, how far is it to the bus station? For example, how far is it? That means either time if you're driving or distance. If you're in the United States, we use miles, not kilometers. So for example, how far is it to the bus station? Common answer, about 10 minutes. Maybe walking, maybe driving. 5, which way to, for example, which way to the beach? This way or this way? Which way? Category 4, restaurants. First phrase, could I see a menu? Could I see a menu? And remember, we can combine these like before. Excuse me, could I see a menu, please? 2, what would you recommend? What would you recommend? We use this phrase when we're new somewhere and we're not sure what to try. This is really common when we're traveling because we want to experience new tastes, experience new things. So you can ask the person at the restaurant, excuse me, what would you recommend? Or I would like. So again, that word would is very polite. I would like the chocolate cake. It looks delicious. 5, There's a mistake on the bill. There's a mistake on the bill. So maybe they charged you the wrong amount of money and you need to fix it. There's a mistake. In category 5, shopping. When you are ready to buy something. Phrase 1. How much does this cost? How much does this cost? And 2, do you take credit cards? Do you take credit cards? How much does this cost? Do you take credit cards? Now that you've learned some super common expressions for travel, take a moment and go down to the comments and tell everybody the next place you want to visit. Where do you want to go? The next time you travel, what's your plan? Tell us below to give us some ideas. And one more thing, like I said in the beginning, my name is Cynthia. I'm an English teacher and I would love to share more with you. So if you click the description, you will find a link to my YouTube channel, English Unite, and other learning opportunities. So I'll see you back here at the EWA channel and at English Unite. I can't wait to keep learning together.